So, welcome back to my channel mga besh. Andito na naman si Mommy. Meron tayong masarap na lunch. Oh, I will move this a little bit para makita si Mommy. Ayan, meron tayong masarap na lunch, meatloaf. This is made of ground beef. Pero pwede rin siya ground turkey, guys. Masarap sa akin beef. I don't know why. Pag magawa ako ng meatloaf, ang ginagawa ko ay si beef. Oh my gosh. Tikman natin ang ating meatloaf. Very yummy. Oh my gosh. Sa aking meatloaf, ang ginamit ko ay barbecue sauce. If you have barbecue sauce in your house, use that one for your seasoning. Dahil ang meatloaf, masarap siya if seasoned with barbecue sauce. So ito siya guys, it's just a barbecue sauce and then mixed with vegetables and the meat. But in my onion, I saute for a while, like until mag-brownish ang onion, and then mix it here. Dahil ayaw ko yung onion na raw and then mix it with your meat. Ayaw ko niyan. I want my onion cooked. So ayan siya, saute your onion before you mix it with your meat. Oh, masarap. And of course, if you eat meatloaf, you need to have a mashed potato. So, aking mashed potato, very special dahil I mix it with cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. And Parmesan cheese if you want. Wow. This is perfect. So try my meatloaf, guys, and you will have Thanksgiving every day. Try my meatloaf and you will have Thanksgiving every day. Oh, my. This sprout is a leftover from yesterday. It's Thanksgiving. So, pwede pa rin siya makain, di ba? Masarap ang sprouts ko. Everything here is very yummy. So, if you cook sprouts, you have to cut it and season and face down, and cut face down so that it will be grilled really good and it become brown and crispy. So, ayan, although hindi siya overcooked, but if you want overcooked and it's really brown na makita ninyo, go ahead. More, cooking, maybe 20 minutes. But for mine, guys, 10 minutes is enough, or 15 minutes, I think. Masarap ang ating my meatloaf is really good. Wala ko na wasabi pa. It's so tight. So sa ating vegetables naman, since si Mami na unang kumain, ang ginagawa ko ay hindi muna ninyo lagyan ng dressing. Otherwise, mag-flat yung mga vegetables natin dyan. Kung andito na sila, guys, so lagyan na natin siya ng dressing and you mix that a little bit. And the good thing is, since I have a lot of grapes, ilagay ninyo sa inyong salad. Voila! Wow, this is good. Sino bang papayat? I cook good food. So, ayan guys, in my family, we seldom eat outside. Especially now that it's COVID, you know. Mga Fridays and weekends, si Mami mag-rest and we just eat leftovers. Ayan siya. And then, pag Fridays, minsan may pizza kami, but not all the time pizza, you know. Not all the time. Mostly sa aming breakfast sa weekend is a drive-thru, Whataburger, or Cane's, or Sonic. Ayan siya. But If I want to eat a good fries, I want to go to McDonald's to eat fries. McDonald's fries is a yummy one. I don't know why. Oh. For my burger, I prefer Sonic. Ah, it's so yummy, guys. So again, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bells. Comment below, guys, if you want my meatloaf, or comment below if you like meatloaf. And if you try my meatloaf, you will say that I will bake it again. I will make it again. Dahil ang meatloaf ko is so yummy. Comment below and let me know if your meatloaf is so yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye. Sa ating meatloaf, ang ginamit ko na meat ay beef. So, bibili kayo guys yung lean. Huwag yung may fats. Ang pinaka-lean ang bilhin ninyo. Meron tayong carrots, onion, green and red bell pepper, cilantro. Meron tayong oatmeal, breadcrumbs, garlic sauce, yung mga seasoning. Ang pinaka-bida sa ating meatloaf ay ang inyong favorito na barbecue sauce. Ayan siya guys. And then, i-mix niyo siya una ang ating dry ingredients. Then, followed by milk. Oh, nakalimutan ko pala, may milk pa tayo dito. Half cup ng milk. Para mas soften siya, ilagay ninyo siya and followed by the rest of the ingredients. But, don't forget to cook your onions because kung raw ang onions ilagay niyo dyan guys, I don't think it's yummy. So for us na para makuha talaga ang masarap na onion lasa, talagang lutuin niyo siya. Isute niyo ng 5 to 7 minutes. Tama na yan siya and mix everything. Sa aking meat guys, ginamit ko dito is 1.5 pound lean beef meat. But pwede siya, if you want turkey meat, pwede rin siya. Ayan, turkey or beef, yan ang perfect sa ating meatloaf. You know guys, adjust your seasoning. And sa pagmix natin, I want to use my hands. Ayan siya guys. Gusto ko i-mix ko siya ng hands para talagang ma-mix mo siya. And if you have rectangular pan or dish, yan gamitin mo siya para sa inyong meat. Diyan mo siya iluto. Pero sa akin guys, pwede na ito siyang pan. Lagyan mo na lang siya ng foil and then form it into rectangular para madali rin siyang maluto dahil nagmadali ako eh. Masarap ang ganito sa akin dahil makita mo yung mga crust sa side ng ating meatloaf. So ganito ang paggawa ko ng ating meatloaf. I-form ninyo lang siya ng pataas and then it's up to you guys. If you have a dish, go ahead use your rectangular dish. Okay, ready na ang ating meatloaf. I-bake natin siya ng 350 temperature for 1 hour. Ayan siya. And then, 20 minutes before matapos, kunin ninyo siya and ilagay ang ating ketchup mixture. Mixture with ketchup, brown sugar, and mustard. Ayan siya guys. And voila! Masarap ang ating dinner and masarap ang ating meatloaf. My kids love this meatloaf. And of course, if you have meatloaf, be sure na meron kayong mashed potato dahil combo yan sila. Plus, salad para healthy naman ang dinner natin, di ba? Okay, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comments below if you like my meatloaf or if you want to try my meatloaf. Let me know, guys, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye!